Today, we're not just launching our new phone. We're launching a new way of thinking about what a phone can do. A phone.
Πολύ καλή γίνεται.
Ξεκινάμε. Loud, loud. In Korean, in Korean.
4 years away from the 4 years away.
Πες μια χρονομέτσα. She's laughing with Tata, you know, again.
Obviously.
Oh my god, I remember Sangyo.
Guys, there's random noodles here with the full pedo tata, drug dealer Bajoraki, survive Samyang, lunches, knife, like
Yeah, we have.
oh my god.
Wear it tomorrow so we can take all together a picture.
Tomorrow I'm going to wear this.
Yes. Are you going to promise?
Bravo, Uri. Bravo, Uri. Thank you.
Oh, this is for you.
Bottoms up.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah.
Μισό. Ξεκινάω.
Ναι.
Εντάξει, πάμε.
우리 동생 사랑해요.
Τώρα.
너는 άλλο
Ξεκινά.
주에
최고야.
최고야. 파이팅. 우리 동생 사랑해요. 너는 우리 동생 사랑해요. 나는 최고야. 파이팅.
Λούρι ρε φίλε, φεύγει. Εσείς κάνατε. Για πάρατε.
Θα τις κάνετε.
Τώρα, θα μας βάλουμε.
Foxy hair. Are you sure?
So I have to do it? You're doing it. Because actually I need to clean my...
Don't worry about the glasses. Just a message to Uri.
So, Uri, congratulations. I think you managed to escape. Brexit. Wish you a pleasant day on your new trip and new journey to which you're gonna have in Korea. And also, I hope you have a wonderful time. Thank you so much.
Πρέπει να προετοιμαστώ ρε, I need to prepare myself. No. Δεν είμαι καλός αυτά. Έλα που δεν είσαι. Δεν είμαι, έλα, μην με βγάζεις ρε.
Θα σε ανεβάσουμε έτσι ούτως ή άλλως.
Τώρα δεν είμαι, σε μου θα με πιάσουν κλάματα. Θα γράψω σε 5 λέξεις.
Να το γράψει, ναι.
Ναι, πρέπει να το γράψω, εγώ δεν μπορώ να δεν προετοιμαστώ ρε. Με γράφεις ρε σου λέω.
Carolo, me, Modu Hamki.
Wow.
Modu Hamki. We wish you a good luck. If you are happy, we are happy, all of us. We're going to miss you, but if you are happy, it's okay. Don't worry that right now you are very rich because we found that you have your own bank in the United States. So
For the pictures, you have the picture?
yeah, I have. Of course, I have the picture. I have the documents.
Document.
Proof. So good luck with your new business now. Bye.
Uri, I would like to... Γράφουμε? Uri, I would like to... Uri, I would like to wish you all the best for you and your family. That's it. We love you. Tata, come here.
Uri, wish you all the best and we will remember you and hope you will have a great time from now on. Good luck from all this kulubela. Only kulubela. Cheers.
Urimu, hi. I know that this is the end of us working together, but this is the start of something new, and I wish you all the best for this new start. We're gonna miss you a lot. It was a pleasure working with you, actually. You've always been very supportive and very helpful. You know what they say about life? It's like a big trip, and I hope that you leave Greece with the best memories. Actually, I hope that we meet again in the future. Maybe I'm coming to Korea. When you leave Greece, I want you to think not only that you have colleagues, that you had colleagues here, but you still have friends, and consider us as friends. Okay, so wish you all the best. Take care. Bye.
Γεια σου, Ριβάρη, Μπουμπούκο, Τζουτζούκο, Λουλούκο,
Κολόπεδο.